guys, I think school might be canceled because I think this is the snowstorm that everybody was talking about. Damn, that's a lot of snow. Oh my god, oh my god. That's a lot of snow. School might be canceled. But it would be all crazy if we still went to school tomorrow. That's crazy. And people are just saying this is the worst snowstorm ever to happen. This is not even that bad. This is just like a regular snow day. But damn, it's like negative degrees out there. But see you later, guys. See you in the next video.